Mwagi hapo hapo. So guys, this is where we are going to install the car blocks. Once you see here, this is the diamond shape. So we are working on each solar panel plant to the maramu. So remember to subscribe and always turn on the ring bell so you can see the whole view of the place. So currently what we are doing, you're working on the land. You can see the car blocks that we are going to install. There's so many. So this is what we've removed. So you see, this is what we'll be installing. You saw the colored ones and this one. So guys, also remember to subscribe and turn on to the ring bell so that whenever we have a new video, you're also notified. So you can see this was waste soil that we've removed. So putting the maramu, then from there, we will install the car blocks. Unapiga nyundo. Hii ni nyundo. Mwaga hapo 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 hapo. Hey.